mites and lice. Here, you want the next scratch? Let's see, can we do it? Oh, turn this way. Turn this way. Oh, give the lip. Where's the lip? There's the lip. Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels so good. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Maybe if I come on the other side, she'll turn her head that way. You're facing the wrong way, Gooby. All right, now let's try it.
Now she'll turn her head the other way.
She's got a spot here that really... Hey, Duffy, doo-doo, Duffy. That's the best, isn't it? Yeah. Get those itches. Yeah.
Okay, it's 3 minutes. People will be thinking this is boring.